Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as you can tell by the video, we're going to kind of go over a couple things of this is why I do this. So I was going through comments and one just kind of jumped out at me. So boom, I'm 35 years old. Today, with your help, I was able to write my first line of code. So awesome. Name equals Sam, print thank you plus name. So this actually just 100% blows me away, and like I was saying, this is completely why I do this, because I started out when I first read about Python, I was 36. I was trying to figure out what in the world I wanted to do, and I had no idea, because when I was 18, I think I saw C++, and I could not grasp it. There were so many rules about it. Where I was, they were throwing very sophisticated problems to me, and I could not grasp it. And then, like I said, at 36, started reading a couple articles about Python, and like I've said before, I was hooked. So I just kind of wanted to highlight that for a second and just say these are the things that keep me motivated. And I know, how about we say, I think we've agreed, this is a mutual motivation channel. You keep me motivated, I keep you motivated, and it goes back and forth. A symbiotic relationship. How about we say that? So I just want to say thank you. The next couple videos, I'm kind of on the fence about maybe making a new trailer video or intro video for the channel. I got some feedback. I think somebody was saying, hey, the microphone's better, you need to upgrade, and I think it was. I think I was using an old mic. And then also really want to go over the layout of the channel and how to use it if you're on mobile, because I really kind of learned something last week. I think I talked about that. But did not want to pass up this comment to highlight. And really, when you guys rejuvenate me, I want to share and say thank you. So thank you very much. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're jumping down in the Discord down below. Lots of growth over there. Lots of good questions over there. But as always, thank you guys so much. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.